Hello dear students, all of you welcome to Vidyayana classes. Today we will discuss some expected board questions on maxima and minima. First, some important notes on maxima and minima. Let y equal to fx be a real valued function. First point, f is extremum at a point. That implies f is either maximum or minimum at that point. At the extreme point, the derivative is equal to 0. That means f dash x equal to 0. Third point, f dash x equal to 0 implies x equal to a, b, c, etc. are called extreme points or critical points or stationary points. F dash a equal to 0 or f dash a does not exist implies x equal to a or AFA is called critical point. F dash a equal to 0 and f double dash a less than 0 implies fx is maximum at x equal to a and fa is the maximum value of fx at x equal to a. F dash a equal to 0 and f double dash a greater than 0 implies fx is minimum at x equal to a and fa is the minimum value of fx at x equal to a. Note down. First question. The least value of the function fx is equal to ax plus b by x, where a greater than 0, b greater than 0 and x greater than 0. The least value of the function. That means minimum value of the function. Answer. Given fx is equal to ax plus b by x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, which implies f dash x is equal to a minus b by s square. Clear? At the extreme point, f dash x is equal to 0, which implies a minus b by s square is equal to 0, which implies b by s square is equal to a, which implies s square is equal to b by a, which implies x is equal to positive square root of b by a. Clear? Since x greater than 0. Clear? Okay. fx is equal to x plus b by x. X greater than 0. X tends to 0 plus. Y tends to positive infinity. X tends to positive infinity. Y tends to positive infinity. It is the graph of the function y is equal to x plus b by x. X is equal to positive square root b by a. F is minimum or least. f is the minimum or least at x is equal to square root of b by a. The least value or minimum value can be obtained from the function f root of b by a is equal to a into root of b by a plus b by root of b by a, which is same as root of a into root of b plus b into root of a divided by root of b, which is same as root of b plus root of ab, which is equal to 2 times of root of ab. Therefore, the least value of f is 2 times of root of ab. Clear? Clear? Okay. Next question. The absolute minimum value of fx equal to sin x in close bracket 0 3 pi by 2 is dash. Absolute minimum value means the least value in the given interval. First method, fx is equal to 2 sin x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, which gives f dash x is equal to 2 cos x. Put f dash x is equal to 0, which implies 2 cos x is equal to 0, which implies cos x is equal to 0, implies x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. N belongs to Z set. Since cos x is equal to 0, x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, n belongs to Z set. Clear? For n is equal to 0, implies x is equal to pi by 2. N is equal to 1 implies x equal to 3 pi by 2. Clear? X equal to 3 pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2 are the critical points or stationary points or extreme points. Clear? Now, f0 is equal to fx equal to 2 sin f0 is equal to 0. F pi by 2 absolute minimum value means the least value in the given interval. The interval starts from 0 and ends in 3 pi by 2. 2 sin pi by 2, that means 2 into 1 is equal to 2. F 3 pi by 2, 2 into sin 3 pi by 2, which is equal to sin 2 pi minus pi by 2, which is same as 2 sin minus pi by 2. 2 pi is equivalent to 0. Sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta, which is equal to minus 2. since sin 90 is equal to 1. F0 is equal to 0, F pi by 2 is equal to 2, F 3 pi by 2 is minus 2. The absolute minimum value, therefore, the absolute minimum value is minus 2. Clear? Clear? Method 2. Graphical method. For all x belongs to R, sin x greater than equal to minus 1, less than equal to plus 1, which implies this 2 sin x greater than equal to minus 2, less than equal to plus 2. Clear? So the maximum value is 2 and the minimum value is minus 2. It is 2 at x equal to pi by 2 and minus 2 at x equal to 3 pi by 2. Clear? The maximum value is 2 and the minimum value is minus 2 at x equal to 3 pi by 2. Therefore, the least, the absolute minimum value is minus. Clear? Clear? Next question. Find the extreme values of the function fx is equal to x plus 1 by x where x not equal to 0. Answer. The function is given by fx is equal to x plus 1 by x. Differentiating both the sides with respect to x implies f dash x is equal to 1 minus 1 divided by s square. Clear? Okay. F double dash x is equal to 0 plus 2 x to the power minus 3 which is equal to 2 by s cube. Clear? S to the minus 2 minus of minus 2 s to the minus 3 which is equal to 2 divided by s cube. Clear? Okay. At the extreme point f dash x is equal to 0, which implies this 1 minus 1 divided by s square is equal to 0. 1 is equal to 1 by s square, which implies this s square is equal to 1, implies this x equal to plus minus 1. Are the extreme points or critical points. Here, extreme points are the critical points. Extreme points or critical points or stationary points. F double dash 1 which is equal to 2 divided by 1 cube is equal to 2 greater than 0. implies f is minimum. If the second derivative greater than 0, the function attains the minimum position. F is minimum at x is equal to 1 and f1 is equal to 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2 is the minimum value of f. Clear? The function is minimum at x equal to 1 and its minimum value is 2. F double dash minus 1, which implies as 2 divided by minus 1 whole cube is equal to minus 2, less than 0. The second derivative at x equal to minus 1 is negative. Implies as f is maximum at x equal to minus 1. Clear? The maximum value will be obtained from the function. F minus 1 is equal to minus 1 minus 1, that is equal to minus 2. Clear? Is the maximum value of fx. Therefore, f is the maximum value is the maximum value is minus 2 at x equal to minus 1 and minimum value is 2 at x is equal to 1. Most important note, 2 greater than minus 2. What is the 2? Is the minimum value of the function. What is minus 2? Is the maximum value of the function. Implies this mean value greater than max value. Two is the minimum value of the function, minus 2 is the maximum value of the function, so mean value is greater than max value. Most important. Graph of the function. The function is maximum at x is equal to minus 1 and the minimum at x is equal to plus 1. At x equal to 1, the value is 2. It is the least value or minimum value of the function. It is the maximum value of the function. Clear? It is the graph of the function fx is equal to x plus 1 by x. x equal to 1, the value is 2, other values are greater than 2. At x equal to minus 1, the value is minus 2, other values are less than minus 2. So it is the greatest value and 2 is the least value. Clear? Fx is equal to x plus 1 by x not equal to 0. Clear? Next question. So that fx is equal to cos x into 1 plus sin x, x belongs to close bracket 0 to pi, is maximum at x equal to pi by 6 and find its maximum value. Answer: fx is equal to cos x into 1 plus sin x. X belongs to close bracket 0 to pi. Differentiating both the sides with respect to x implies f dash x is equal to cos x derivative of 1 plus sin x, that is equal to cos x minus 1 plus sin x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x, which is equal to cos square x minus sin square x minus sin x. Clear? Cos square x, sin square x, minus sin square x, minus sin x. Cos square x minus sin square x, that is equal to cos 2x minus sin x. Clear? Cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to cos 2 theta. Again differentiating both the sides with respect to x, which implies f double dash x is equal to minus 2 sin 2x minus cos x. So that fx is equal to this is maximum at x equal to pi by 6. Now we have to test x equal to pi by 6 is an extreme point or not. At the extreme point, f dash x is equal to 0, which implies f dash x is equal to cos 2x minus sin x. Cos 2x minus sin x is equal to 0, which implies cos 2x is equal to sin x, which is equal to cos pi by 2 minus x. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, which implies 2x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 2 minus x. N belongs to z set. Since cos x is equal to cos alpha implies x equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, n belongs to z set. Clear? Clear? Okay. Two x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 2 minus x. N belongs to z set. For n is equal to 0, implies 2x is equal to 0 plus minus pi by 2 minus x. taking positive side, 2x is equal to pi by 2 minus x. Clear? Which implies 3x is equal to pi by 2. Implies x equal to pi by 6. So, x equal to pi by 6 is the extreme point is true. Given x equal to pi by 6, we have to test the function is maxima at x equal to pi by 6. So, pi by 6 must be an extreme point. It implies x equal to pi by 6 is the extreme point. Is it true? F double dash pi by 6, which implies F double dash is x is equal to minus 2 sin 2x. 2x equal to pi by 3 minus cos pi by 6, which equal to minus 2 sin is 60 degree root 3 by 2 sin 30 degree is equal to half root 3 by 2 cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, which is equal to minus 3 root 3 by 2 negative less than 0. Clear? F double dash x is minus 2 sin 2x, that means 2 sin 2x means pi by 3 minus cos 60, sin is 60 degree root 3 by 2 cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Clear? F double dash x less than 0 implies x, f is maximum at x equal to pi by 6. F pi by 6 is equal to value of the function at x equal to pi by 6, which is equal to cos pi by 6 into 1 plus sin pi by 6, which is equal to cos 30 degree root 3 by 2 into 1 plus sin 30 degree is equal to half, which is equal to 3 root 3 divided by 4. Clear? Therefore, 3 root 3 by 4 is the maximum value of fx at x equal to pi by 6, hence proved. Clear? Next question. So that e to the power pi greater than pi to the power e. It can be proved with the help of the function fx is equal to s to the power 1 by x. Answer. Let y is equal to x to the power 1 by x, where x greater than 0. Taking ln both the sides, it implies ln y is equal to ln x to the power 1 by x, which is equal to 1 by x ln x. Ln x means log x with base e. Differentiating both the sides with respect to x. Implies 1 by y dy by dx is equal to x into 1 by x minus ln x into 1 divided by s square. Clear? In the form of u by v. Clear? Which implies dy by dx is equal to y into 1 minus ln x divided by s square. Clear? Again, differentiating both sides with respect to x, which implies d square y divided by ds square is equal to u into v dy by dx into 1 minus ln x divided by s square. V into derivative u plus u, that means y, derivative of v in the form of u by v, s square into minus 1 by x minus 1 minus ln x into 2x whole divided by x to the power 4. Clear? V into derivative of u. V into derivative u, that is dy dx, plus u into derivative of v, u means y, derivative of v, that is s square into 0 minus 1 by x minus 1 minus ln x into 2x divided by s to the power 4. Clear? At the extreme point, dy dx is equal to 0. dy dx is given by y into 1 minus ln x divided by s square is equal to 0. Y not equal to 0, since y is equal to x to the power 1 by x greater than 0 for x greater than 0. Clear? Clear? So 1 minus ln x divided by s square is equal to 0, which implies 1 minus ln x is equal to 0, which implies ln x is equal to 1, which is equal to ln e, implies x is equal to e. Clear? d square y divided by ds square at x equal to e. d square y divided by ds square at x equal to e. X equal to e is same as 1 minus ln x equal to 0. 1 minus ln x equal to 0. So this term is 0. First term is 0. and this term is also 0. Y is equal to x to the power 1 by x. So it is e to the power 1 by e. Y means x to the power 1 by x. X is equal to e. And minus x is cancelled and x is cancelled, which is equal to minus 1 by e to the power 3, which is equal to minus of e to the power 1 by e divided by e cube less than 0, which implies as d square y divided by ds square at x equal to e less than 0. Clear? Clear? Okay. Implies as f is the maximum, second derivative less than 0. Function is the maximum at x is equal to e. Ye or fe is equal to e to the power 1 by e is the maximum value of f at x equal to e. Clear? Since second derivative less than 0, the function is the maximum at x equal to e. Ye or fe, that is e to the 1 by e, is the maximum value of f at x equal to e. Pi greater than e. Since e greater than 2 less than 3. Pi is greater than 3. So pi greater than e. But f e greater than f pi. Since at x equal to e, the function has a maximum value. E is the point of maxima. Clear? So f is greater than f pi. What is f e? Fx is equal to x to the 1 by x. It is e to the 1 by e. What is the f pi? Pi to the power 1 by pi. Since y is equal to fx is equal to x to the power 1 by x. F of e is equal to e to the 1 by e, and f of pi is equal to pi to the 1 by pi. Clear? Which implies as e to the power 1 by e whole to the pi e greater than pi to the power 1 by pi whole to the power pi e cancel, e to the pi greater than pi to the power pi cancel, pi to the hence proved. Hence clear? Clear? Next question. So that the rectangle inscribed in a circle with maximum area is a square. Here it is given by the rectangle is inscribed in a circle with maximum area is a square. Let us consider ABCD is a rectangle inscribed in a circle of diameter D. Let ABCD be a rectangle inscribed in a circle of diameter D. Let ABCD be a rectangle inscribed in a circle of diameter D. Let AB is equal to X and AD is equal to Y are two adjacent sides of rectangle. Here ABCD is a rectangle which is inscribed in a circle of diameter D. AB is X and AD is Y are two adjacent sides of the rectangle, so that the rectangle inscribed in a circle with maximum area. Area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle is equal to A, which is the same as XY, which is the same as X into Y. What is Y? S square plus Y square is equal to D square. So Y is equal to square root of D square minus S square. Clear? Area of the rectangle, that is XY, and Y is equal to square root of D square minus S square. Clear? Which implies S square is equal to S square into D square minus S square is equal to U, say U is maximum, implies A is maximum. That means area of the rectangle is maximum. Clear? Which implies U is equal to S square D square minus S to the power 4. Differentiating U with respect to X, du by dx is equal to U dash X is equal to 2x d square minus 4s, which implies U double dash X is equal to 2d square minus 12s square. Clear? Area is maximum. A is maximum means U is maximum. Put U dash X is equal to 0, which is equal to 2x d square minus 4sq is equal to 0. Here, which implies 2x d square minus 2s square is equal to 0. Clear? X into d square minus 2s square is equal to 0. X not equal to 0. Why? X is the length of the rectangle. So X not equal to 0. implies d square minus 2s square is equal to 0. So x is equal to positive square root of d square by 2. Clear? S square is equal to d square by 2, x is equal to positive square root of d square by 2. Since x is greater than 0, represent the length of the rectangle. U double dash x, x means d square by 2 root over, which is equal to 2 d square minus s square is equal to d square by 2. S square is equal to d square by 2. 12 into d square by 2, which is equal to 2 d square minus 6 d square, which is equal to minus 4 d square, less than 0. U double dash root of d square by 2 is negative, implies u is maximum. Second derivative, less than 0. So u is maximum at x is equal to square root of d square by 2. Clear? U is maximum at x equal to this. Hence the statement is true. U is maximum. We have to show the rectangle is a square. That means x is equal to y. X is equal to d square by 2 square root, which is equal to d by root 2. Y is equal to d square minus s square root, which is equal to d square minus d square by 2 square root, which is equal to d by root 2. X is equal to y is equal to d by root 2, which implies ABCD is a square. Therefore, the statement is proved that true. Clear? Clear? U is maximum at x. U is maximum means area is A is maximum. Area is maximum. The rectangle represent a square. U is the function of area. U increases, area increases. U is maximum, area is maximum. U is maximum at this point, so A is maximum at this point. As x is equal to y is equal to d by root 2, ABCD is a square. Clear?